Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the last week. Is it the last week? Are we in the
Is it
last week?
Yeah, I mean last full week, yeah.
Last week and a half.
Yeah. Yeah?
Last week
yeah.
and a half.
yeah, last week and a half.
Yeah, of the apex-brotherhood live stream. My name's Richard. That guy's name is William.
Hello, people. Wagwan was good.
How are you, mate?
I'm cold. Dude, I'm wearing my dressing gown. It is that cold here today. I put the heating on. So
The heater. Oh, yeah.
dude, as soon as the heating properly kicks in, which it hasn't yet, like the radiator's not even warm. I put it on about 5-10 minutes ago. As soon as the heating kicks in, then I'll take my dressing gown off. But for now, you guys are going to watch me in my dressing gown. I am shivering cold.
Freezing, mate. Have you had a coffee yet?
No, I haven't had a coffee yet. I've got my water. I try not to have a coffee within like the first 2 hours of being awake. So I.
Well, sucks to be you, mate.
Yeah, maybe I should. Yeah, I'm good for now. Like I've got enough natural energy right now, but we'll see. I'm feeling
a nice
awake.
vanilla infused coffee, mate.
Ooh, very nice indeed. A vanilla infused coffee.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Last we had was dark chocolate infused coffee, and now
I remember you having that.
Yeah, just something a little bit different, dude. What the fuck's going on with my hair?
Bro, I know. Same here. Like, I don't know what's going on with my hair at the moment, but it's now long and it's now slicked back.
Nice.
So, I mean...
All right, let's do a quick disclaimer and then we'll get straight into December markets. Here we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
There we go.
Going. Here we go. All right, let's get a screen sharings on the go.
Ooh, talking about screen sharings, I've got something rather exciting for you people.
What is it, a 10k account?
It's a brand new 10k account!
That you're going to turn into a 20k account by the end of this week?
No, I'm going to turn into a 100k account by the end of the week.
Not physically possible, but okay.
I'm about to say I don't know how that's possible, but...
No. So, technically, the fastest you can get any account high stakes funded is 6 days.
Dude, I don't think I'm going to do it in 6 days.
Why not?
That'd be sick. That would be really
You risk 1% a day, or 1% per trade, and then you just make sure that you do 2 trades a day, as an example, and you go for 1 to 2s, as an example. So on your first day, you make 4%. So your first trade, 2% win, second trade, 2% win. Then the next day, you do the exact same thing. 2 trades, 1% gain, or 2% gain per trade, 1% risk. So you make another 4%. And then on the third day, you do 1 trade with 2% gain. So you've got your 10% in 3 days. You've got your 3 profitable days. You've got your 3 days. Then, hopefully, the reaction is very quick. You get your email saying, congratulations, you passed phase 1. You're on to the next one. Thursday, you've got your new account. You do the exact same thing instead, but now you drop it down to 1 trade a day with a 1 to 2 risking 1%. So the first day you make 2%. The Friday you make 2%, and then the next Monday you make 1%. You've got your 3 profitable days. You've got your 5% gain. Done.
So just that easy.
Oh wait, the first one is 8%. You don't even need. You can go 3%, 3%, 2%. That kind of like thing, or 2%, 2%, 4%, whichever. But the point still stands. 6 days from hero to hero. Well, from 0 to hero, technically. And there you go. There's the blueprint for getting a account passed.
There, yeah, I was gonna say, there's the
26.
exact blueprint, guys, for getting funded. Just like that.
Yeah. Just make sure that you make at least 2% a day, or 4%. Let's put it like that.
Okay, we've got a slight issue. It just said invalid account. Trying to log in. Why did it just do that? Log into trade account. Okay, now put that put that number in. Okay.
Wow. Ilias coming early on today with the absolute shade, mate. While you're doing that, I'm going to say hello to everybody. Good morning, MGN. First in, as always, what's up, MGN? I have something touching my face. It was my hand. We've got Annie Rude. Good morning, Annie. How are you this morning, mate? We've got Infinity.
Okay.
Infinity saying, good morning, guys. Good morning, Infinity. How are you? We've got Mario. Mario saying, good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, the Suicide Squad Trading Troop. Good morning, all. Good morning. Mario.
Good morning.
My friend. Everybody ready for real degenerate trading week? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This week is going to be sheer terror on the trading room floor.
Dude, we were born ready.
Yeah. In the wilds, you guys look vanilla infused. Morning.
Wow.
What a diss. Like, imagine, like, you think you're all suave and all nice and like, you're the real deal, and then somebody rocks up and says, dude, you're vanilla infused. It's like vanilla's the most plain flavor.
It's like the most basic bitch flavor.
Yeah, you're just the most
ever get.
basic. Just you're vanilla infused. Everybody else is like chocolate infused, orange infused, or something. Something a little exotic, a little bit different. You're vanilla infused. Yeah.
Well, I've
Thanks
got
for that
yeah.
in the wild.
Yeah, nice.
Now I'm not self-conscious.
Yeah, totally not self-conscious anymore. Gee, thanks. Thank you so much for that.
Infinity Will, are you wearing a night suit? Well, technically it's called the dressing gown. Well, in this case it's a night gown, not a dressing gown. He does look comfy. Let's just put it like that. Dude, you look comfy.
Bro, I'm still cold. Even with my dressing gown on, I am still cold.
Is your hair wet?
Yeah, it is. Can you tell? Dude, my hair's too long.
Well, your hair being wet is going to attribute to the fact that you're cold, mate.
True that.
Yeah.
True that.
In the wild saying just win every trade and it's easy. See,
It's simple.
See, in the wilds gets it. Like, there's your blueprint, guys. 1% per trade. Make at least a 1 to 2. Do twice a day. Make 4% in one day, and you can pass your 5%ers account in 3 days. Well, technically, you can only pass phase 1 in 3 days, but
Easy.
you get the point. Just win every trade, guys. Come on.
Like, why are you guys finding this difficult? Like, stop struggling.
Yeah, why? Come on, guys. Just win every trade.
Yeah.
Everybody loves vanilla. Yeah, that's true. Everybody does like the simpletons in the village, don't we?
The village simpletons.
Yeah. Oh, there goes William and Richard. I hear that they're a bit slow.
Yeah, I was literally they're a bit slow.
Yeah, they're nice people though. Well, we do like them.
Oh dear.
Yeah. All right. Now that we've caught up with everybody,
Yeah, if you haven't already, guys, make sure that you're gonna smash this like out. Make sure you're gonna smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and come say hi, Joe. Come say hi and good morning to the simpletons.
did you see Jonathan's message in the group this morning? Like just now.
No. Oh yeah.
What do you think he's alluding to?
I've no idea.
The fact that you're going to have the inability to be awake after a night of entertainment.
Oh yeah. Fair, yeah.
He's like asking, are you sure?
Yeah, yeah. He's like, well, really?
Yeah, are you 100% sure you're
Are
gonna...
you really? Are you like really?
No, but really, mate, are you?
Yeah. Good morning, good morning, 5 London. Good morning, guys. happy,
Guys.
happy,
Oh,
new
why is this
Christmas
lights not
year.
right?
Yeah. Let me just.
Morning.
Morning.
Give me a
Oh,
second. Where's that aspirin?
Yeah. CC, give me a paracetamol, would you?
And about 4 gallons of
Coffee.
water, coffee, and something greasy. No, not that. No. You know how that makes me feel.
Give me a cooked breakfast or something like do it yesterday.
Something that can soak up the the stuff I drank the other day. Can't mention that I
come
was
on.
drinking wrong.
Good morning. Well, shut fuck up. Silence.
The intro goes, "Good morning," and you're like, "Ah!"
Yeah. Dude, who put that on?
Use your inner voice. Use your inner voice.
Yeah,
For
we
those
need
of you who have alluded to what we're talking about,
quiet
it's
voice
about
tonight.
New Year's Day. So
Yeah, I just got a message from one of our esteemed Fivers hosts asking if I am sure that I'll be free and available. Dude, I was wondering what the hell that was. I thought maybe it's like a cat toy or something. You just whipped it in your mouth, and I was like, "Bro, what are you eating?" And I realized it's a black cherry. I thought, "Oh, that's right then." Bro, you spun me right out then. I was like, "Dude, what are you doing?"
enjoying a cherry, mate.
Dude, I love cherries. Cherries are very, very yummy. Very yummy indeed. I'm looking at Euro USD sell.
Me too.
Yeah, I thought you maybe.
Mm.
Kind of want to see gold. I want to trade gold as well, but I don't think it's ready.
I spent a bit of time this weekend
Uh-huh.
just kind of working through like an idea for the next few weeks.
Okay.
Starting the beginning of January, basically. I am going to reduce my focus down to a singular pair during the day and a singular pair during the evening or the afternoon. Can still do analyze, still going to do my analysis on all of the pairs as we should, as hosts and as streamers of the Forex world. But my entries are going to be only on a singular pair, and I am working on figuring out which pair I want for during the day. I already know which pair I'm going to be trading for the afternoon session. It's going to be Naz. Naz has been so good to me, mate. Like, afternoon sessions, just amazing. But the pairs that we need to trade during the day that has similar movements, that moves around similarly as Naz does in the afternoon. Still looking at that. So I'm going to be spending a little bit more time over the next few days, over the weekend and whatnot, just to work on that.
Nice, man. I rate that.
You're in your trade.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my lot sizes correct. There we go.
For a 10k, you're going lot size of 2. Whoa, mate. I mean...
No messing here, bro. No messing.
That gives you a 5 pip stop loss for a 1%.
It does indeed. But I got a 10 pip stop loss, so...
So you're risking...
You
2%.
do the maths.
Well, if you want to be part of the 98%, you need to be willing to do the 2%. Something like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna risk 2%, but I'm happy to close early if it doesn't The momentum's not quite there. I was gonna go
Julian
with the
saying
one
that hair could use a brush. Nope.
Wait, my
just
hair?
no.
Or, wait, whose hair could do with a brush here, Julian?
Mine.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, fair. Spit in your fingers, bro.
What's up, Julian?
Yo, Julian, how you doing, man? How was your weekend? Oh, did you do the run in the end?
No.
Ah, fair.
No, the weather here was not
Permissible.
Yeah, that and when I woke up, my brother, well, my dad messaged me saying they're not gonna jog today because my dad was tired, and then MGN and Julian as well were both like, no, they were also tired, and I was like, am I gonna have to go and run alone? Which I was fine to do, but then I looked at the weather and I was like, dude, it would suck if I got like halfway through the course and then it just started pissing down with rain. I was like, oh, mate, nah.
Yeah, no, that's fair, man. Right, so what I'm looking at here is if I don't get a nice rejection candle in this consolidation area, then I'll close out. I gotta see a rejection candle in this area because this is my area that I want to see reject. If it doesn't, it means my trade isn't quite playing to how I want it to.
Are you on the 15-minute?
This is on the 5-minute now.
All right. Let's have a look at the 5. Ooh. Not good. Not good. Doesn't look good. God does not look good.
But right
I
eye
mean, this
just
one candle.
burning now.
One singular candle. What now? Something in your eye? Was your
I don't
finger?
know. My right eye just started burning and now it's watering really bad.
You got dust in it, mate.
God, mate, I don't know what that was.
It's dust. It's usually like you must have moved your arm or something, and then a piece of hair or a piece of dust or something just went into your eye. That's usually what burns my eye.
Bro, that was really weird. Just seeing that black belt as well on the Discord. What martial arts is that?
Who's this now?
Julian. Must have been Ghost taking. What the fuck?
Wrestling, I think.
Oh, nice.
I mean, if you look at Julian, do you honestly think that he's somebody that does anything other than wrestling?
Hey,
I mean, he's a short and stocky dude, so.
Okay, well,
Taekwondo.
I would have believed anything other than Taekwondo. No offense, Julian, but you do not look like someone who can do Taekwondo.
That's what I said. Like, can you believe he does anything other than wrestling?
Marina, what's good, Marina? How are you doing?
I was also about to click that. Morning, Marina.
Yeah. HK, yo, hello everyone. What's good, HK? Good to see you guys in today. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Let us know how your weekend was, and let us know if you are feeling ready and for an action-packed day in the markets, or week in the markets.
Infinity asking, think you take decision too quick?
No, it's according to my plan. Okay. It's a loss. 0.7% loss today in the morning so far.
And just like that, you know that this account is going to reach take profit very soon. Because your first one must always be a loss, right?
Very true. I've never passed an account. Sorry, I've never not passed an account where the. No, I was right first time. I've never passed an account where I've gone straight into profit. Every single account.
Try the other way around.
No, I've never passed an account.
No. Try the other. Like, whenever I win my first trade, I don't pass the account.
Whenever I lose my first trade, I pass the account.
Yes, there we go.
Yeah, we stumbled. We took the long way round, but we got there. We took the what do you call it? Scenic route.
I was looking at the potential for sells on EU, but I don't know if it's ready yet. The reason why I'm saying this is because when we came down to test the lows of Tokyo, we kind of like just consolidated in that area. When we went to go and test the highs of last week Friday, we just kind of dwindled down. So we're still kind of like stuck in this slight sideways range, and it's the same with GU as well. But GU is showing a little bit more want to potentially push up.
Yeah, GU's showing some bullish pressure.
But I'm not sure about GU either. So I'm going to be patient and wait for both of them to show what they want to do.
It's probably a good
Gold
plan.
is interesting as well because gold is, or at least tried to come and test last week's highs. So overall, gold is now is going into a little bit of consolidation, but the whole of the Tokyo session, we climbed about $47 movement from $4,300 all the way to 47. Might be a potential for us to come and test all-time highs this week
How far are
with
we
the
off
news that we got this week.
that? This week or next week?
Find out next time.
On Who Wants to Be a Trader Air. Okay. Yeah, we're not far
Yeah,
off.
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna practice patience, my friend. Patience.
I'd love to be buying gold, but it needs to happen correctly.
In the wild saying, account 1, trade, no win. Later, me win. Pass. Yes.
That's exactly how this is going to work, mate.
Have you ever watched The Office?
The American Office or the
The
British
American one, yeah.
Maybe I think I've watched like 1 or 2 episodes. I've never sat down and intentionally watched it. No.
I've never watched the full show. I've watched episodes, but I enjoy the bloopers and I enjoy the like snippets basically where they snip up just a section and then that plays.
Yeah.
One of them was I don't know, it's one of the big guys in the office, large guys in the office, saying something in the line of why use many word when few word do trick or something like that. So this is what In the Wild's comment reminded me of, was of that guy whose name I can't remember because I didn't watch the show, trying to explain why using fewer words to complete a sentence is fine. You don't need all of these fillers, these filler words.
I'm just seeing the updated. You working Christmas Day? You lunatic.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not doing Boxing Day. Am I the only one that's working New Year's Day? Does no one want to work New Year's Day with me?
Dude, New Year's Day is that day where nobody has A, the ability, B, the want to be awake, let alone streaming, mate. I put myself up for Christmas Day.
See, Christmas Day is that day for me. Like, you won't catch me doing anything Christmas Day. Like, nothing at all.
Dude, Boxing Day is just going to be myself and Victor.
Yeah, man. Yeah, fair. Yeah, literally, I saw.
Yeah. No, I don't mind, mate. I really don't mind.
Mm, 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 mm. Who's looking forward to Christmas, by the way? Clearly not Richard. You don't work on Christmas Day, you absolute hooligan.
Dude, it's 2 hours. What are you talking about?
Yeah, fair. No, I suppose that's what I mean on like New Year's Day. You know, it's 2 hours. Who cares?
Yeah, I'm gonna be hungover
Yeah,
on New Year's Day. I'm not gonna be hungover on Christmas Day. I can tell you that much.
See, I'll be drinking on Christmas Day. I won't be hungover, but I'll be drinking. Whereas New Year's Day, I'll be drinking, but I won't be hungover. So I probably won't go out New Year's Eve. I'll probably no, I will, but I probably won't get mortal.
Dude, we're having a dress-up party here, so
Oh, nice. Yeah, you're gonna be spangled then.
yeah. Don't drink and drive, mate. Just
Yeah, literally that.
yeah.
Well, we have a rule in Wales. It's called 5 and drive.
What is 5 and drive?
I'll let you. I'll leave your imagination run wild with that one.
What is the 5? What does 5 mean?
5 non-alcoholic drinks, and you're safe
5
to drive.
non-alcoholic drinks and drive.
5 pints of water.
Okay,
Anything
so
more
you're
than-
allowed to have 5 pints of beer and then
Yeah.
drive.
Yeah, 5 pints
Alright.
of beer and you can drive.
Is that law?
Oh,
Or is
yeah.
it like, is that the decision that everybody in your county makes? They're like,
No,
Right,
no,
guys.
that-
we'll take 5 pints, and after the 5 pints, you're allowed to drive.
yeah.
Anything less than 5 pints, and you're a pussy.
Yeah, no, it's more like anything more than 5 pints, and it's like, okay, even we should maybe consider not driving.
Oh, okay. After your 5th, you're like, okay, guys, I'm fine.
I gotta stop. I'm driving home.
I'm walking.
Yeah. It's like you go out for a pint with some of the boys, and you have like 2 or 3. Oh, do you want to have a couple more beers? I said, nah, boys, I'm driving, so I'll only have 1 more.
So, years ago, there was a guy that I used to work with, and we had a 0 alcohol policy. So if you clock into work, you'd have to blow, and if it's anything above 0, sorry, you've blown red, you're not working, you get signed up, all of that kind of like stuff. So this guy, he would rock up to work sloshed, like absolutely sloshed. And we used to have this running joke that okay, so maybe I need to explain this. We have something called a loopdop.
What now?
Now a loopdop.
A loopdop.
Loopdop. A loopdop means the last drink. It's the last call drink. It's the drink that you take before you leave the pub or you leave whatever. It's that very last drink before the pub closes. So, and the loop means walk. So it's the one that you're going to have with you as you're walking out of the bar. It's like if the bar goes ding, 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 last call, then you go and get your last drink, and then you walk out of the bar with your drink. Okay? Because you're walking to your car or you're walking home or whatever. All right, so loopdop. And we used to joke about this guy. The running joke was that he would do a last call before he has to go to work. So his wife would ask him, honey, do you want another drink? And he's like, last one. I need to go to work. And then as he's driving to work, he'll throw the bottle out of the window. It actually happened. As he was driving into the parking lot, there goes the bottle out of the window. So he pitched up for work sloshed, absolutely sloshed. So and he got caught. He blew red, and obviously security was like, "Hey, listen, you're under the influence. You cannot come in." He's like, "No, it's his cough medicine."
Yeah.
And then he takes out a bottle of something called Benylin, and Benylin is a cough syrup with a high alcohol percentage.
Mm-hmm.
And he pulls that out and says, "No, it's his. I've got a cough, with this cough syrup." So the joke was that his looptop, his last drink, was Benylin and Coke.
There's no way he got away with that.
He did.
No, really?
He got away with it twice. Third time he was caught, they sent him to rehab.
Fuck, I bet.
Yeah, they told him, hey, listen, can't carry on going like this, mate. Like, you need to tell us if you've got a problem. Otherwise,
Clearly needs help.
If you have a problem, we can help you. If you don't have a problem, then we're gonna fire you. So the obvious thing was to say, I'm an alcoholic.
I was gonna say, even if you're not yet, you're an alcoholic. Like,
he had to go to rehab. That lasted, I think, a grand total of 2 days.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's why on New Year's Day I won't be streaming, because you don't arrive to work drunk, mate. Come on.
Well, either that or Jonathan will be putting you in rehab.
I first need to admit I've got a problem, mate.
True.
It always starts with you admitting you've got a problem.
Yeah. That's very true. Okay, I would have hit stop loss now on the EU.
Yeah. That's why I said I don't know. It felt like it wasn't ready yet to go down, and these follow-up candles.
Yeah, that's why I cut out, was the follow-up candles. Because, dude, I was liking that, man. I was really liking that, and then next minute the candle follow-up was just. I was like, shit.
Infinity, guys. Do you heard news about Fed chairman? US is removing the Fed chair. Is removing their Fed chief.
Oh, I've not heard that.
I don't think they can. I mean, Fed Chair Powell is his term is coming to an end, I think, soon. The Federal Reserve Chair, I think, is something that they do need, because it's outside of the powers of Trump to hire and fire that person.
I know the last thing I heard was the whole controversy around trying to kick Jerome Powell out, but that's the only thing that I.
Yeah, nobody's got the power. The president, let's rather say, doesn't have the power to hire and fire the Fed chair, because the Fed chair
is out of his jurisdiction.
Is outside. Yeah, exactly that.
But other than that, no, I've not heard anything, unless there's more going on.
Coming to an end. That's all. Like and then there's this.
And they're coming to end in 26,
who's supposedly the next in line.
I'm sure it's coming to an end, like end of 26, or like end of the financial year in 26.
I think it's now, like between February and April.
Oh, really? Okay, yeah. End of the financial year, because April is the new financial year. Yeah, that makes sense. That's what I've heard, but I don't care until it comes out on on Forex Factory.
Infinity saying there are reports that President Trump and his team want a clean break and intend to name a new Fed chair to succeed Powell in an announcement expected early 26. Powell's term as chair ends May 2026. Okay. Although he could legally stay on the board as the governor until 2028. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, they can't remove him. That's the thing. His term is just coming to an end. It's like a presidency, basically. You know, you have your 4-year cycle. After the 4 years, you know, you can either be re-elected or you can, completely like stop being president. But yeah, like this, they have probably a new one that's going to come forward, but you can't fire the president. At least can't fire the.
No, unless he does something completely unorthodox. If he does something completely backwards, then
if there's some legal reason, like I don't know, he committed murder.
Yeah,
I don't know, that kind of like thing. Then maybe, But other than that, unlikely that he will be removed by the powers of President Trump, let's rather say. I don't think that President Trump holds that power at all.
Well, no, because he tried to, or these rumors, like you said earlier, these rumors about him sacking Powell last year, I think it was. But it's like, well, no. It's just not going to happen.
Sorry, mate, you ain't got the ability.
Yeah, ain't got the facilities for that, big man.
So, yeah. No, he most definitely doesn't have the faculties to do that.
Alrighty then.
Alright.
Dude, I'm not seeing anything in the markets after EU. It was a good loss though. I'm okay with that loss. That's still a good loss.
I just think the lot size was a little crazy though.
Yeah, to be fair, maybe a bit steep. Yeah,
you might just be that person that says, hey, listen, I'm going to rock 2% every single time I take a trade.
It wouldn't be... Yeah, if that's the case, I remembered that I have to stream later on as well. I'm going to want to take a trade.
True, so... Bring it down.
I'm going to have to lower that. I was thinking more on the basis of like 1 trade per day, then I can risk 2% per trade. But,
yeah, I was thinking about the 2% per trade thing, and I was just like, I don't like the idea of doing that.
Yeah,
unless I have some.
That's how I passed several accounts doing that, but then I realized that that's not been on stream where I've taken 2-3 trades a day.
Okay, but if you imagine taking 2% a trade, I would want to have my stop loss be so far from my entry point that it gives it time to breathe. I would not do 2% scalping. There's no way.
It's easier to risk 2% per trade in a little bit of a longer term strategy.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Live a little in it. It's nearly Christmas.
You did say it was going to be your crazy
It is
account.
going to be like, if I'm not causing craziness in chat, then I'm not trading my account right.
That is true. Guys, for everybody in chat, we are going to complete the hour and a half on the YouTube stream, so we're not going to go over to the Discord stream today. You guys voted that you didn't want really to go into the Discord, so we've heard you guys. So
yeah, even the guys in the Discord were like, no, we like it on YouTube. I'm like, oh, all right then.
Yeah,
dude, fair. I mean, we're still going to be live trading on the Discord. Well, I'm still going to be live trading on the Discord, and there's still lots happening in the Discord. But this stream is going to stay on YouTube because that's what everybody on the YouTube and in the Discord wanted. So that is fine by us. That is not a problem whatsoever. However, guys, I got some exciting things for the Discord. Bro, I can't wait to share it with you.
I saw a few things. Interesting.
You did. You did see a few things like start popping up. So if you're not already in the Discord, get yourself in the description. The link is in the description.
Get yourself
below.
in the description. The link is in the Discord.
Yeah, exactly that.
No, literally, get yourself in the description, and then from the description, get yourself into the Discord. Gold, mate. Have a look at gold. Have a look at gold, my friend. Gold.
Indeed. I'm gonna go down.
What do you see? What do you see?
What do I see? Gold on the 5 minutes is a bit crap, but gold on the 15 minute is looking nice.
What are you talking about on the 5 minute is a bit crap?
It's a bit crap on the 5 minute. The 15 looks
Rally
nice.
base rally, you bastard.
No, it's not. Where?
Zoom in.
Oh, dude, it is. Yeah, dude, it is.
Make your candles bigger.
Yeah, fair. Yeah, but not yet. Are we not waiting for a break and close above on a rally-based rally?
No. You just need a reaction off of a point. So in this case, we had a swing. Price trying to go lower. Made a higher low in relation to the previous low. We've got a higher high. So we're still following the same structure, still bullish. And now we're waiting for price to react here. Technically, there was one at 10:20 my time. So the last bullish candle before the big bullish candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles ago. Let's just do that. 4 candles ago on the 5 minute, there was a rally-based rally. That one. 1, 2, third one.
Oh, I don't know. I don't like it. I want to see
One
a break. I want to see a
Two more
close
back.
above.
2 more back, mate. 2 more.
Oh, this one here?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
So you have the low at the bottom, and then with the reattempt to push lower on the 2 bearish candles, a little bit more towards the left. Yes, those ones. When it tried to push lower, it failed, and then it started pushing up. So something like that. Yeah.
True.
It's the follow through. It's the fact that it's trying to push lower, but it's failing. I mean, if it wanted to push lower from that point, you would have had follow through, and it didn't. So if you go over to the 15 minute, you can see that it's just a very nice swing point.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you go over to the hourly, you'll see that on the hourly, we're printing bullishly as well. Where we had
the hourly.
Yeah, we had 2 bearish candles and now a bullish candle. So there's a potential it's going to come and test the highs of Friday, and then from there on go for the highs, which is only $30 higher. So I am going to take a gold buy.
Yeah, same here, but I'm not yet. I'm gonna wait for a gold buy.
No, I'll wait.
Oh, okay, fair. Then yeah. Same as that. I'm looking at a gold buy for a similar reason. I need a break and close above.
Yeah.
But we shall see. Guys, as well, if you're wondering how to get into the Discord, if you're, maybe you don't know how to scroll down and see the description below, here is the link. I dropped the link in Chatteroony. So get yourselves into the Discord through the link in chat or through the link in the description below.
Link in description.
Link in the description. Also, guys, what are you thinking of the shorts? Like, we're posting shorts a lot more often now. We're trying to do I'm trying to do like all sorts of short form, like motivational, inspirational, something a little bit active, but something also a little bit like, just all sorts of different kinds. So let me know what you guys prefer, and we'll post more of that. I don't know why it does that under the disclaimer. I think that needs to be deleted each time.
Which one?
Well, if you look in the description, look under the disclaimer, it's just a pile of garbage information that is irrelevant.
What do you mean?
Go into the description below on the YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there now quickly.
Look at the disclaimer. And I'm not following 1,000 people. I'm following 900. So that's fake news. That's false information. Goal.
So what? You've got 22k followers and you're following 1,010. Dude, this thing updates automatically.
That is fake news. I am not following 1,000 people. I am following 900. I shall check. 970. I am following 975 people. Thank you very much.
So the thing is, okay, so how it works is I have a pinned comment in Discord, which I copy and paste when I update when I set out the schedule, basically. And every time I go and check it, it refreshes, and then I wait for it, and then once it's refreshed, I copy and paste it. So I don't know where that other 100 or so people are coming from that you're following.
Yeah, I don't know where all that information comes from either. So like from the disclaimer underneath, that's not in the pinned comment. That just adds. Like they just add that for some reason. So we have to go in and delete it all. So I'll try and delete it now. But the thing is,
so wait, which one do you want?
What do you mean? Which one do I want?
So which portion of that information do you want there?
From LaunchPass onwards, delete all that.
Okay, so the thing is that pops up automatically because you have a link.
Yeah, no, I know. That's what I mean. It's so frustrating. We have to delete it every single time.
No. It's automatically going to be placed there because you have a link.
Yeah, but
it's the way that it works. The copy and pasting. If you have a link, it automatically shows you the link. It shows you. It's how Discord works.
Give me how Discord works.
So if I paste the link in Discord, it's going to pop up the information about the link.
Oh, yeah. No, fair. Yeah. No, okay, yeah, I see. Yeah, I see.
And then what it does is it automatically auto updates the information as it's coming through. So if you don't want that to be there, what we need to do is we need to have that information somewhere completely different, and then just copy and paste.
No. That I'll show you after stream. But it posts it it was doing it with LLTF. I had to manually delete the extra information under the disclaimer with LLTF, even though I manually type it out. It's just because, like you said, there's a link there. It provides all the information within that link.
All the information. So if we're going to copy and paste it, I will just copy and paste the stuff above, and then I will manually delete it. That's all.
Yeah, exactly.
No problem, mate. It will be sorted.
It's frustrating. It's so annoying. Also, guys, we got what were we? 110 subscribers last week. We're now 119 subscribers, which is super cool. So, guys, thank you very much for supporting us. And make sure that you do subscribe to the channel and stick around. It's super cool to have so many of you in. Yeah, so make sure you smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. There's 15 of you watching. Let's have at least a minimum of 10 likes. So 3, 2, 1, smash that like button. Let's get a minimum of 10, 12 likes. And if you haven't already, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot to us.
MGN saying, I have a strict policy against shorts, and I can attest to this because he does not wear short pants at all. It can be boiling hot outside, mate. He wears long pants. That's
the only time I'll wear shorts is in the gym, and even then, sometimes I'll wear trousers.
So yeah, definitely MGN is way against shorts. Get that. Infinity say, look at silver, guys. I don't have silver up here. I will go and look for it quickly.
I turn my dressing gown off. It's nice and warm now. Yo, people.
Yo.
My eye is itchy now after it was burning earlier. Really weird. Dude, you know what I can't get out of my head is that Alien Ant Farm, Smooth Criminal.
Yeah.
Bro, what a song. If anyone's into like
Silver's, what is Silver's signature?
XAG USD.
XAG.
Yarp.
Oh, I should all. That's why. There we go. I was on indices and I was like, why is it not popping up?
Oh. Yeah, you're not going to find on indices, my friend.
I mean, it's the same.
Yeah, it is very similar. It's just lagging slightly, you know, it's just a bit slower.
And the thing is, I don't trade silver because it's not as liquid as gold is. So your spreads are worse, your commission is worse, your entry price slippages is worse. So I don't even bother with silver. Infinity just missed my entry on silver. A little pullback would be nice to jump in. Gold trying to break 2 as well. I don't watch shorts either. Mario XAG, thanks mate. Like I said, I don't watch, or I don't have, or I didn't have silver on mine. I don't have a look at it because I never intend on trading it. It's just conditions for me is just, it's worse than gold. So why would I trade silver if I can trade gold? Gold moves in the same way as silver. Silver tends to be a little bit more lagged. Like it's a little bit behind gold. Gold's conditions are just better for me. So I don't bother trading silver.
I was just looking at the Discord again, guys. We have so much banter in the Discord. Seeing Julian with his black belt, dude, that is super cool. I've actually realized I've got all my belts here. I'll actually show you them now.
I think he's second dan. If you look at the double line,
it looks like second dan.
Yeah.
I want to know in what though. Like, what are you second dan in?
Didn't he say it was Taekwondo?
But is it actually Taekwondo? Yeah. There's my belts, people. There's the I was white, orange, and red. I haven't got the orange because I double graded, and then that's my yellow belt, which I've just been graded last week. So I've only been going a couple of months. I double graded in my first one because I'm absolutely sick. So I'm amazing at karate, and then I graded up to yellow as well. And then
in the wild thing on futures, silver and gold are great. And then Mario says silver is good to predict gold's moves as they follow each other, as to see divergences and possibly anticipate gold's next move. But isn't gold first? Doesn't silver follow gold? So wouldn't it then mean that you would look at gold to see what silver is going to be doing?
Yeah. And there's my boxing trophy then. From my first fight that I won. It was actually a first round stoppage as well. Yes. Let me know if anyone else does any martial arts either, because I know Zhe or Jochen. So, who's been? I don't know where Zhe is at the moment. Where is
he
Jochen?
was working, and then after that, I think he's been spending time with family and stuff like that.
Yeah, I was going to say he took a bit of a break. We haven't spoken to him in a couple of weeks, but I know he's second dan in. What's it? Not jiu-jitsu. What's he second dan in?
It's jiu-jitsu, right?
No, I don't think it is.
Aikido?
Aikido. Yeah, Aikido.
In the wild saying lately silver has been leading. Okay, so it's kind of like swapped over. All right, makes sense. All right.
Oh, MJ, he's been doing Taekwondo on and off for about 16 years now. Oh, nice, man. That's sick.
Yeah, but to be fair, I think he's only like 30 now or something like that.
Yeah.
So about half his life.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
I've just started karate because it's fantastic for the flexibility, the stretching. Plus, I wanted to add my legs in, and down with me, they don't do kickboxing. So, or no, I've heard that apparently they are starting kickboxing gym down here. So I'm going to be checking that out. But when I go to Hong Kong in January, I'm going to be signing straight up to a kickboxing gym. So that's going to be cool. So I'll be karate, boxing, and kickboxing. But yeah, there is something that I love using my legs. Love kicking. And thing is, because of my boxing as well, it works hand in hand. So I've got like my upper body movement, my leg movement, all that from boxing, and then I've got the flexibility and then like the kicking in my legs and all that from karate. It's good fun. It's good fun. Rich, when are you going to get in? When are you going to get into the martial arts?
Silver, we had some consolidation, and silver was more consolidative than gold. Gold had the higher lows, but the equal highs, basically.
Yeah.
Then gold had the breakout just slightly before silver did. Silver had the wick above, but not the close. Where gold had the close above, and then silver followed. But silver's gradual movement higher is stronger than that of gold.
Bro, look at you and GU.
The pullback was the similar time. It was a deeper pullback for gold than it was for silver, and silver has been moving. So gold is potentially climbing. You know what? I'm going to take a small little trade on gold.
Is it according to your plan? First things first.
Yeah.
100%. A plus.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Just gotta make sure. Gotta make sure bro ain't moving outside of his plan.
1 minute, and then this 15-minute candle closes. If it closes, it should be closing as a bullish candle, which would mean that it would potentially be a rally-based rally. So there's the attempt to push lower, the failure, it starts pushing higher, showing that this downward movement is no longer valid. This movement over here shows that it wants to go higher. There's the base. So this would be a 15, not bearish, bullish base. If we go down to the 5 minute, you'll see that we have a base area. Sorry, wrong, like that. Oh, I think I marked this one. Sorry, like this. There we go. This is a 5 minute base, and then here you also have multiple attempts. So I'm going to see how this one closes now. The wick above doesn't look great, to be dead honest. This wick on the 5 minute doesn't look great. On the 15 minute, it still looks good. It doesn't look amazing, but I think I'll still take it.
I don't like it, mate. I'll be honest. We got a minute left, or a few. What have we got exactly? We got a few seconds. Let me have a look. We've got 20 seconds left. 21 seconds. The 5 minute didn't close that nice at all. We got that double wick to the upside. I died the 50. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it that much. There you go. We've got the 15-minute close under, so we've actually wicked and failed to break and close. What's the 30-minute saying? Same 30-minute failed to break and close above. The hourly failed to break and close above. All of it wicked. Although we are still we closed bullish still, just not bullish enough for me. The 5 minute, we actually use an engulf into the downside. Dude, EU pulled back. EU and GU pulled back. GU doesn't look nice at all. GU's just in a range. but it's not. But it is, but it isn't. GU's a bit strange. We are GU's a bit like EU, but the opposite. Like we're in a higher time frame range, but we're creating internal higher highs on GU and internal lower lows on EU. I think we need to wait to break out of that swing point. On the 4 hour, let's have a look at. If we get a break and close above, I'm gonna consider entering on a Nasdaq buy. On the 4 hour. Let me actually bring my chart up on this one. Let me just go here, then go here, then go here, then go here, and then do this. There you go.
And add
there you
that,
go.
and this thing, and the other
And
thing.
then add that, and then put that doohickey over there. And then with that doohickey thingy majiggy, put it next to that what's it majiggy.
What's a thingy?
What's it thingy and the doohickey jiggy. So this is the Nasdaq on the 4 hour. Potentially can look at something like this. US 30 is just delicious. Shouldn't have closed on US 30, but the swaps would have been painful, so. Nas S&P, let's have a look and see what the S&P is doing. It's okay. So Euro JPY is doing, again, looking delicious.
I mean, EU and GU has not changed at all. Still very much, EU is still very much consolidative. It attempted to break lower and then attempted to break higher, but then failed both.
Sean, I may jump on a meeting with you later on. I'm very busy until about 4 p.m. I believe. Let me know when you're free, mate. I'd love to jump on a meeting with you and discuss this. I know you wanted to discuss this with me. I've been watching this recently, and it's insane. Okay, now I'm not free until 5. Maybe tomorrow. Let's jump on a meeting because, dude, I think you're gonna love this. Yeah, I think you're gonna really enjoy this this strategy that I've got. I'd love to see what you can do with it. Okay, in fact, I'm gonna move back over onto MetaTrader now. So I'm gonna put this back and then bring this back up. No, fuck, wrong one. Bring this back up. There we go. Fantastic. Dude, GU and EU, where's it? It's just pumping. Where's it pumping from? Man, there's volume in the market right now, and I don't know why. I hate that.
Dude, you're saying it's pumping, but then look at this.
It's not, to be fair, but it's just like that instant move. Like, it's not pumping, but if we bring it up on my chart quick, we've pulled back down here, and then instantly this candle straight up 5 pips, instantly just straight up reaction.
It reminds me of what you just said now. It reminds me of that guy that was like, oh my God, gold is pumping right now, and go and have a look at gold, and it's still like
Yeah, Fitton is doing nothing. Yeah, so yeah.
He's like, yeah, well, I was down on the 1 minute. I was like, yeah, of course it looks like it's pumping on the 1 minute. Everything looks like it's pumping on the 1 minute.
Yeah, I mean pumping is in the speed of the reaction, not necessarily the length of the movement. You know, so like we had this, we were moving down, and then cells became valid because we got the break and close under on this internal structure, and then boom, we just got the reaction straight back up. 9-pip movement straight back up, which isn't a lot. And then we started moving down. And again, look at the way we moved down. It's very bearish. Okay, here's a little bit indecisive, but it's very bearish. Clearly strong bear move to the downside. There's no rejections here. And then boom, straight back up with again a 4.5-pip engulfing candle. Instantly, pretty much out of nowhere in comparison to the previous candle characteristic.
Yeah.
It's just weird. It's weird price. In my opinion, anyway. Yeah, I mean, this could be beautiful price for some people.
Are we gonna try a buy on GU?
Oof, it looks good, doesn't it? Oh, I think if we can break and close above, well, we've got 3 minutes time, close above. Maybe a pullback? Yeah, GU looks nice. Yeah, I think I may try GU today.
Are you gonna wait for a pullback first?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think I'll wait for a pullback. What about you? You gonna wait for a pullback or just jump straight in on the break and close?
I'm thinking of just jumping in, mate, but reducing the risk, obviously.
Yeah, fair.
Where's Pooley, mate?
Dude, I do not know. I don't know where any of the guys are. Like, I think it's Christmas, isn't it? So I think some of the guys are just probably taking family time. God, imagine.
Okay, gold is pulling back a little bit. Nas looks like it wants to try and break above. It have this ugly wick going lower. It seems as though we will probably have the break and close on GU.
Because we have a nice, yeah, we got a minute left. Unless it wicks to the downside now, I think we'll get a nice break and close. But oh shit, I need to put 3 lots on. Oh, that's was close.
Okay.
There it is.
GU.
Are you in the buy now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm taking the breakout buy, and then if it pulls back, then I'll enter on a retest as well.
Ooh, you're entering on my strategy.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice indeed, Mr. Butler.
Thank you very much, Mr. William Davis. Double Davis.
You okay, Rich?
My name is Double Davis. Davis.
I got double D's.
My name is Davis. William Davis.
I like it stirred, not shaken.
I don't know what shaken and stirred means. Because I'm a teetotaler. I don't drink any alcohol.
Alcohol.
And on top of that, I might be a little bit crazy. Because right now I'm talking to myself.
Dude, sometimes I wonder why chat watches this. But then I think to myself, wow, we're just fucking class. Why wouldn't they watch us?
I wouldn't say we're class, mate, but what I would say is that we're definitely...
Interesting.
Yes.
Mm.
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 Mm. Sitting here sounding like Minecraft characters.
Huh?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Dude, you didn't go this time, so I feel like I'm making progress.
I didn't do what?
Nothing?
Dude, I haven't played Minecraft in years. I used to love that game. Like, it's like the ultimate all-nighter game when you're a kid.
I think my wife plays it every single day.
Does she? What a legend.
Yeah. She has a world with her mom, and the two of them play together.
On console or PC?
She's got PC, her mom's got console.
Oh yeah, it's integrated, isn't it now?
Yeah.
Nice.
You've got Bedrock Edition and you've got Java Edition. So the one is for PC and one is for consoles, but if you
Java
want to play
console,
with somebody that has console, then you just play the same version as them. Because
Yeah,
both versions work on PC as well.
Oh, that's sick. Yeah, I want to download a couple of games for Hong Kong if I'm bored. We're not getting that pullback, are we? I mean, you must be loving it.
Yeah, it's climbing. So my stop loss is just beneath this last attempt to push lower. And gold is also trying to climb.
Yeah,
where will I aim? What am I aiming for?
Gold's giving it a go, mate, isn't it?
There's a potential spot right there. There's a potential spot right there. Oh, whoa. Whoa, I screwed that one up. Okay, so this one, lock this one, delete that one. Retry this one.
We got a minute. If we can close above in a minute, then I will trade gold. Okay, we've broken. Come on. If we can close now, I'll trade gold. I have no idea what lot size I'm going to put on.
Dude, get yourself the earnforex.com's position sizer.
Dude, will you send me the link after the stream. I'll download it. Yeah, I need to get it. Come on, then. Let's see what you've got. 20 seconds. You bastard. Right, so 100k account I trade with a 0.15. So
how large do you want your stop loss to be?
Probably 0.25% on gold.
No. I meant like in dollar value.
No, hang on. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, okay. So 0.08's it's a nice size. It's not too big.
Size, body, good size.
It's not too small. The big ones hurt.
So you're in a buy now, yeah?
I am in a buy now, yeah. For $1.
$1 billion.
Yeah, I'm in a gold buy now. Actually, it's a really nice buy as well, actually. If it pulls... Oh. Yeah, fair. And so if it pulls back... if it pulls back, I'll probably look at entering in.
It's looking really good for a buy. And it starts pulling back.
No. Yeah, fair.
Stop.
Yeah, that wasn't wasn't expecting that. I was like, oh, if it pulls back, I'll look at re-entering into my like break and retest strategy. Just instantly pulls back. I was like, it completely catches you off guard, and you're like, There.
Infinity asking, when you know you are ready to trade? I mean, when you know you are ready for trading first time? Interesting question, mate. So, in general, I would say if you can, with your back-tested information, prove to yourself that you indeed have a strategy that is profitable first and foremost, and secondly, you have that you've back-tested a while, and you feel like, yes, you know, you're following your plan properly, then I'd say go for it. I'm just going to close this one because I don't like the way that it is busy pulling back on GU.
Yeah, fair. Well, wow, what are my spreads? I just got tapped in on goal, but it didn't tag me in.
You probably don't have enough margin, mate. Anyway, let me get back to... Sorry, I distracted myself. So, Infinity, I would say this. All right. Before you decide to take your first trade or even get yourself an evaluation account or put money into a brokerage or anything like that, I would say, first and foremost, make sure that you have a strategy that you have back-tested and you are happy with the results. Meaning, let's say you tested something and it gives you 50% win rate, but you're trading 1 to 1 to 2 RR trades, and you're happy with that, and you can do that consistently. You have a few months worth of data. You have all of that, like the mathematical side of trading ready. You understand your strategy. You understand how it is that it's supposed to work, when it works, all of that stuff. And you have some months worth of demo trading where you're trading forward trade. So you have back-tested data, and then you go onto a demo account, and then you trade your strategy exactly how you want to trade your strategy on a live account. You trade it on a demo account. And then on that demo account, you look at the forward-tested data. You look at that information, and then you say, okay, my forward-tested data on this demo account aligns with my back-tested data, you know, given a margin, you know, above and below, margin for error above and below. Let's say 5% above, 5% below, just as an example. And you're happy with that result, then I would say, then consider getting yourself a small evaluation account with a reputable prop firm, and then start trading. That's how you know you're ready. When your forward-tested data on a demo account aligns with your back-tested data within a margin of error above and below. So that's how I would say you would know you're ready. Now, obviously, on the psychological side of things, because you haven't actually put any money on offer, so you haven't put any physical risk, monetary risk on the table yet, you won't quite know how you're going to react when you actually go into drawdown with physical money that you've put onto the table. But it gives you a good idea of getting used to following your strategy and following the back-tested data. And that's why I'm saying start with a small account, so that if you do go into drawdown and you're struggling with that, then at least you haven't put a lot of money into your trading account, or you have bought a large account and then realize, oh, I'm struggling with drawdown, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I would say. I don't know if Will, if you agree with that, but that's generally how I would look at it.
Yeah, I 100% agree with that. Usually, like,
if I had to start again, that's what I would do.
Yeah, usually I'll say to people, backtest. Make sure you have backtested data. Make sure you have forward tested data. Make sure you have live demo tested data, and then a small prop account. So my trade right now at a 1 to 2R would actually take me to all-time highs.
On which one?
Gold. I've just dropped my chart. I've just dropped my trade and view chart into the Discord as well. Schleeming to be hanging around. Which is okay. It's not the end of the world, but
I don't know. Let's have a look at NAS. What is NAS doing?
If we break and close under this level here, just before you look at NAS, we break and close under this level. This is my discretionary stop loss. So if we break and close under this, then I'll be out of the trade.
Yeah, the only problem I have with gold at the moment is that if we just look at last week, there was a high of last week Friday, I think, and we're trading round about this area where we had that massive drop off, and on top of that, we're really struggling. It's like super slowed.
Yeah,
I do feel like we have the potential to do, to push higher. Just I don't know if it is ready yet.
Technically speaking, I think we have the potential, but due to those highs on the left, like looking at the technical analysis now, being like, oh, I like this analysis, then yeah, I love the idea of continuations to the buys, to the upside. Whereas because we've got the highs, like you said, from Friday, it's that sort of, I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting off the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I like the 15-minute right now. I'm going to put an alert at this low.
Infinity saying, I want to ask another. Doubt if a trader is saving his capital for 4 to 5 months, but not profitable, does he is good trader or not? So if you're saving your capital, but you're not profitable, so are you asking if you're break even? So the thing is, when it comes to trading, there's distinct areas where traders kind of start off. Like you'll go into the market, you'll enter a few trades, you'll lose, you'll be like in drawdown for a few months, or you'll lose money over a few months. Then eventually you start adjusting something about your psychology or your trading or your strategy, and then eventually you'll start making break-even money, so you won't lose money anymore, but you're technically not making money. And then after that, you start realizing, oh, okay, I can actually not losing money anymore. I can actually start making money. You make a few more adjustments, small little tweaks to your trading strategy, and then you start making profitability. And then that's the third level. And then after that level, it's to maintain that profitability, but consistently. So it's losing money, break even, making a little bit of money, and then making a little bit of money consistently, which leads to proper profits. So you're asking if you are break even, should you invest, or should you start trading your capital more often? I think if you are break even, go back to demo trading. Only invest or put money into trading if you are profitable, not if you're break even. Break even is a phase where you're gonna struggle with making a bit of money, then you're gonna give it back, then you're gonna struggle again. I personally would, if I was break even, I would not be trading actual money. I would be going back to the demo until I can prove to myself that I can make money.
Yes, same as that. If I wasn't If I was break even, you're doing fantastic as a trader. A lot of people struggle to get to break even. I think you've got to give yourself a massive pat on the back if you are break even. However, you're not profitable yet, so don't open up to live capital. So, just keep on it. Stick to a demo account, stick to trading your strategy, stick to trusting your strategy and trusting yourself and trust the process. If you've gotten to a state of break even, then it means that you've clearly endured some hardship first. So you're clearly trusting the process. Keep trusting that process until you start seeing that your edge is outperforming. Or your edge is performing, you're outperforming your losses. So once you find that you're in profit overall, like once you found that, even if you've got a really low win rate, once you find that you are in profit, then you can be like, oh, okay, I'm in profit, I am a profitable trader. Now you can start opening up to live capital. But until then, you will know. You'll look at your data will tell you. If you're looking at your data and technically you're still unprofitable, that's absolutely fine. That's normal. That's completely okay. But you'll start realizing that once you start gaining profitability, you'll start looking at your spreadsheet and you'll be overall up. Like even if you have a 20% win rate, you will still be up on the account. And you'll be like, okay, now that I'm technically a profitable trader, now I can start opening up to live capital. Yeah, just take your time with it. Just take your time. That's what I say to all traders. Like, guys, look, I'm fully okay with the idea that I may blow this account. There's a reason why I'm not on my 100k account right now. I'm not trying to blow it, but I'm taking some risky trades. I'm still taking my valid setup trades, but I'm going to be taking a little bit more risky trades with this account than I would with my other accounts. So, I'm not going to be taking my time on this, but this doesn't reflect my true trading abilities or strategy. Whereas my 100k live account, which I stopped trading last week for the Christmas period, that does reflect my trading strategies. So just take your time and just relax a little bit. So many people want to get there tomorrow, whereas it's like, okay, you get there tomorrow. What's your plan then? It's like, oh, well, then I'll try and trade for the rest of my life. Exactly. So if that's your mindset, don't try and get there tomorrow. Get there when you're ready.
Yeah, I agree, mate. Like in the Wilds is saying here as well, it is a good sign, as frustrating as it is, like Rich said, just a few adjustments from there leads to profits. If you stay consistent, I moved to prop demo from there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, just take your time. Take your time.
I agree with
this. Stress yourself out.
Small adjustments, mate. Like, and the thing is, it's like, it's one of the reasons why I don't like doing okay, I'm going to at the end of the year and review my whole year, and then I'm going to make massive changes come January because the new year is going to be a new you, all of that stuff. That's one of the reasons why I don't like doing that, is because it's the idea that you had the whole year to make these small micro adjustments that could have led to you being 5%, 7%, 10% closer to where you want to be in future. Whereas if you leave everything till the end of the year and then say, I'm going to make all of these grand big gestures, these big changes, because you're not used to the changes, first of all, and secondly, because you're doing it on the whim, or you're doing it because you're looking back at something and you're like, I didn't like this, back then. You don't tend to follow it. You don't tend to follow through with it. Small changes on the daily, small changes on the week, small changes in the month. Review a little something every now and then, every few weeks. Look back and say, you know what? I was in a terrible mood that day, and this is the kind of stuff that I went through. I'm not happy with these changes, or I'm not happy with the way that I dealt with that thing or this thing or the other thing. And then use that information, say, you know what? Come tomorrow, I'm going to try and attempt it differently, or approach it a little bit differently. And then you start slowly realizing that it's easier for you to maintain that than it is for you to do one grandiose thing at the end of the year and then say, come next year, I'm going to new year, new you. It's those small things that you do on the daily. Like Will always says, don't have that Monday mentality. I'll wait until Monday. Do it now. Yeah. It's the same thing with, if you want to make improvement in your life, start now. Like, if you want to practice patience or you want to be a patient person, practice patience today. Small little attempts every single day makes a massive difference over the long run.
100%, mate. Preach, girl. Yeah. Dude, literally, I've closed out on gold. It was wicking too much for me, and we're coming to the end of it now. We've hit half past. Technically, I'm okay with the fact that, let's imagine it was one trade at a 1% loss. I've just hit a 1% stop loss in theory. You know, technically, actually, I haven't. You know, 0.9%. Yeah. So I'm okay with that. You know, it's super okay. That my discretion kicked in. You know, I don't like the way that this trade is moving now at all on gold. I'm going to leave it drawn up. You know, I've dropped the chart into the Discord as well. I have updated you guys in the Discord saying that I've closed it at break even. However, it is what it is.
It's like you said, it's the December price action. And the December price action, we just made a very lovely rally-based rally on EU as well. I am in a GU trade though. I am in a buy.
Oh nice, you're back in on the buy, you?
Yeah, I took a small little win as it was pulling back. Didn't realize that it was just a base that it was forming, and then it created the continuation. So I jumped in on it again, but I'm going for a small amount. I'm going for a 1-to-1. Just trying to get, what is this?
Stop loss on the low here.
Just trying to get about 6 pips, mate.
Nice. Stops on the low here.
Just underneath that swing point here.
Yeah. Really nice trade, mate. Well done.
It's a small little scalp. Just gonna try and get 0.25%. Even if it doesn't get it, if it comes close, I'll close it out, and then I'd be happy with the amount that I got.
Yeah, beauty. Awesome stuff. Infinity, thanks, buddy. Infinity, thanks, Will and Rich. Absolutely, my man. My pleasure. Like I said, guys, you know, Infinity, you're in the Discord. Come chat with us, man. Get involved, get interactive in the Discord. Drop your charts, ask us questions. In the Wilds trade is also in the Discord. Ask us questions. You know, myself and Rich are always active in there. We're going to be changing up games night as well. Not necessarily games night, but we're going to be doing like tournaments. So if you guys like chess, we're going to be doing like a couple of tournaments, chess tournaments. If there's plenty of people signing up, the winner of that tournament may get a potential giveaway. For example, an Apex t-shirt or an Apex hoodie, or you know, there's going to be prizes for the winners of these tournaments. It's going to be chess, poker. What else have we got? There's also going to be gaming. So for those of you who are into your gaming, like on PC or console, if you have Discord on your PC or console and you want to game and you want to stream yourself gaming, I'm sure the guys would love to watch you stream your games. So feel free to, if you don't know how to do it, feel free to have a word with myself or Rich, and we'll get you in and go live.
MGN as well. Ask MGN as well. He's
invite MGN as well.
He really knows.
He's in the Discord. Yeah. He's part of the team. He's a super knowledgeable guy. If you want to stream, if you want to maybe do some gaming, maybe the guys want to join you and play with you, or maybe they just want to join and watch you do some gaming, then that's now open in the Discord. So there's still a couple of tweaks to be made, but the Discord is growing and maturing in the right way. Ewan is going to be creating some awesome things. I'm not going to tell you guys just yet, but let's just put it this way. Ewan is our designated team PT. So he is basically making sure people are staying fit and healthy, because we believe to be a profitable trader, you must also be relatively fit and healthy with your mindset and your body. Now, he is going to be creating some fantastic things completely for free, only for the guys in the Discord. And so will I. Myself included will be creating some free resources to help you gain profitability in the markets. That's going to be completely free for you guys to keep, use, and abuse as much as you want. But that will be in the Discord and for the guys in the Discord. So if you haven't already, make sure you get yourself in the Discord, guys. Link is in the description below, or I have also dropped it in chat. So if you want to check it out, you can scroll up in chat and you'll see it there. But we've run our course. Thank you very much for joining, guys. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you are new here. Let's see if we can get, what do you reckon, 125, 130 subscribers
What are we on now?
by the end of the year?
How many are we on?
Subscribers? We are on 119 now.
125.
You're on 125. That's pretty good, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah, 125 subscribers by the end of the year.
All right, guys. For everybody that is, just like sticking around, and if you're not going away for the holiday season or whatnot, you're just staying at home. Do keep yourselves in touch with us. Like, come and chat to us if you're not going away. If you're going away, go and enjoy it. Be safe. Don't do anything we won't. It's a very short list, but still, don't. All right, guys, and then with that, we'll see you all in the Fiverr stream later this afternoon. Have a great one, guys. Cheers.
See you later, guys. Take care.